Now let's go ahead with the handler class. So we already created the custom handler class. Now we need to register this custom handler class. So further, there is a additional step that we need to do. Okay. So let me go ahead with that. So that you don't find in the guide, the main guide you don't find. So here you see they have given the link like create and register a custom handler class. So we need to download that also from the SAP portal. So here they have mentioned the steps, what kind of, they have given some sample logic also that you can refer. So logic implementation we will see later. So creation of custom handler class, that is done, and then we need to register. So register in the sense, so this class we have created, but we did not link this class with our data model anywhere, right? So how SAP knows this class has to be called for this BP data model execution or the process flow execution. Further, we need to link this data model with our handler class. Okay, so this is the view cluster or view, not cluster, SM30. Data model BP. Here SM30 view, maintain below entry. Now, so here the class we need to maintain. There is no for. Let me get the class name. This is the class. So just ensure there are no extra spaces. Save. Okay, that's a simple step to register the class with our data model. That's it. And verify the usage and all that we will see how to debug and all later. And you need to add the custom logic, all these things. Okay, so these and all we will be discussing in the upcoming sessions. So now custom handler class registration also completed. And then the main part or one of the other parts, extending the user interface. So far all the backend relevant activities is done except the feeder class and uh, handler class logic implementation. We haven't created the feeder class, that is part of the user interface. So the business logic we haven't implemented, but the other activities whatever are required, those are all done now. So next thing is like we need to enhance the user interface. So here what we will be doing, we will be adding our custom UIVB to the standard UI application. Okay. Now let's proceed with the next step.